Hello everyone, this is me Camilar Calatero and I am one of the reporters for this topic. So, instructional strategies and presentation techniques. So, as we all know that in an educational setting, instructors must utilize a variety of presentation techniques to effectively engage learners. So, the strategies used for lectures, roundtable discussions, and panel presentations each have unique considerations and approaches. And for today, that will be our discussion. So, we will be focusing on the lectures, the roundtable discussions, and the panel presentations. So, um, when we say lecture instructional strategies, it has the organization, the visual aids, and the engagement. So, actually, lectures are a common format for conveying information to a large audience. So, the key strategies include using clear and concise language, incorporating visual aids, encouraging audience participation through questions, and providing opportunities for note taking. So, skilled lecturers maintain energy and dynamism throughout the presentation. So, that's the lecture instructional strategies. The organization in which the structure the lecture with a clear beginning, middle, and end. And then visual aids use slides, diagrams, or other visuals to complement the spoken content. And the engagement is regularly check in with the audience and invite questions or comments. So for round table discussion techniques is when we say round table discussions, it foster collaborative learning and encourage active participation from all attendees. So effective techniques include guiding the discussions, actively listening, and prompting participants to share their perspectives. So the facilitator should ensure balanced airtime and maintain a conversational flow. So it has facilitator rule in which he or she guide the discussion, ask thought-provoking questions, and ensure all voices are heard. So we also have participant engagement. So it encourage attendees to share their ideas, experiences, and reactions to the topic. We also have the balanced airtime. So it managed the discussion to allow equal participation and prevent any one person from dominating. So the next one is the panel discussion presentation or methods. So these panel discussions feature a group of experts presenting on a specific topic. So effective methods include establishing clear rules, utilizing visual aids, and encouraging audience interaction. So um, the moderator plays a crucial part in guiding the flow of the discussion and fostering a dynamic exchange of ideas. So it has defined rules. So assign specific topics or questions to each panelist to provide structure. We also have visual aids. We can use slides, handouts, or other visuals to complement the panel's dialogue. We also have audience engagement. It allows time for questions and encourage the audience to actively participate. So the next slide is the engaging learners through varied approaches. So um effective instruction requires a balance of different presentation techniques to cater to diverse learning styles and maintain student engagement. So, incorporating this mix approaches or this mix of lectures, discussions, and panel presentations can really help ensure that learners remain active, attentive, and motivated throughout the learning experience. So, in lectures, we can provide a structural framework for delivering key information and concepts. In roundtable discussions, we can foster collaborative learning and encourage active participation from all attendees. While in panel presentations, we can feature a group of experts presenting on a specific topic and engaging the audience. So for the next slide, balancing instruction and interaction. So the most effective instructional approaches strike a balance between direct instruction and interactive learning opportunities. So, skilled educators thoughtfully plan their presentations to include a combination of lecturing, facilitated discussions, and audience engagement. So, creating a dynamic and stimulating learning environment for their students. So, in lecture, we can provide clear explanations and convey key informations. And in discussion, we can facilitate interactive exchanges and encourage dialogue. And in engagement, we can actively involve the audience and solicit their participations. So I think that would be all for my part, and I hope that you learned something. So again, this is me, Camila Calatero, and thank you for listening.